Power plant initial excitation battery bank. The initial excitation battery bank in a power plant is a critical component used to provide the necessary electrical power for the initial energization of the plant's generators. Its primary role is to supply the excitation system of the generator with DC power to establish the initial magnetic field required for the generator to start producing electricity. Key functions. Initial energization. The battery bank provides the initial electrical energy needed to excite the generator's rotor winding, which creates the magnetic field necessary for generating electricity. Reliability and backup power. It ensures that the excitation system has a reliable source of power during startup and, in some cases, provides backup power to maintain excitation if there are fluctuations or failures in the main power sources. Charging and maintenance. The battery bank is charged by the plant's auxiliary power systems during normal operations. Regular maintenance and monitoring are essential to ensure the batteries are in optimal condition and capable of delivering the required power when needed. Design considerations. Capacity and voltage. The battery bank must be sized appropriately to handle the power requirements of the excitation system. This involves selecting batteries with the correct voltage and capacity to provide sufficient power during startup. Reliability. High reliability is crucial, as failure to provide adequate initial excitation can prevent the generator from starting and impact overall plant operations. Safety and monitoring. The battery bank is equipped with safety features and monitoring systems to detect and address potential issues, ensuring the system operates reliably and safely. In summary, the initial excitation battery bank is a vital component in the startup and operation of a power plant's generators, providing the necessary power for excitation and ensuring a smooth and reliable initiation of electricity generation. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you valuable insights into the importance of the battery bank in hydroelectric power plants. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on energy infrastructure and sustainable technologies. Have a great day, and see you next time.